Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to hide phone number online. So first of all, launch open Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So there is no direct settings for hiding your phone number. But what you can do is add just few settings so that your phone number will be hidden. So what you can do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for general. What you have to do is find the option for friends and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the friends interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find two options: auto add friends, allow others to add me. So what you have to do is make sure both of these buttons are toggled off. If it is not toggled off, simply tap on it and it will be toggled off. Now after both of these options are toggled off, people will not be able to see your phone number. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you hide your phone number online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.